What's up guys, how y'all doing? How are you guys? How's everything? Okay, so I'm making a follow-up video. 3 years ago roughly we did the Toyota Corolla suspension install. So you guys remember we have Maxpeedingrod sent us a set of coilovers to install for this car. It was just a test, kind of the Chinese products for them to see how it originally works, and it actually works very, very well. So 3 years have passed by now, going on to 4, and the Corolla still has our struts and they're good to go. I don't know if you could see them through here, but let's see. We got the Max Gold right there. That's the rear, that's the front strut. And as well, we have the Maxpeedingrod rears. Now I also have these coilovers on my Supra. Makes about 700 to the wheel, works amazing. So on this, you guys can see 3 years later, still on the set, same set spec that we put it on. Works very, very well for the price. Honestly, you can't really beat this setup. And so what they did now is they sent me another set to be able to test and use. Now this is their upgraded, like premium version is what I would call it, but let's get to unboxing it and see what comes in the package and how it looks. So right off the bat on the unboxing, you open it up, you got your 2 Allen switches, our coilover adjustment wrench, installation instructions. So this is the MXR SP1, the newest system. And as you guys saw on my last coilovers, they were yellow. On these ones, they come with this all black flat finish with the gray. All right, so we have our coilovers right here from Maxpeedingrod. And you guys can see right away off the bat, I see some good things I really, really like. So the bottom is not yellow anymore. It has this like bed liner feel, very rough and nice. The gray coils, nice upgraded dust boots. And then what's very, very nice is the top hats. So these, very, very sturdy. So this is rear, and then this is the front, since we have the adjustable links, and then obviously you have the 32 dampening adjustments for it. Overall, the quality of this is very nice. Really, like, you can't go wrong with this setup. Works very well, looks very nice. Like I said, I've had my old setup on my car for 3 years now, no issues, but Maxpeedingrod always sends me some goodies to test. They've sent me turbos, coilovers, wastegates, blow-off valves, everything. So very, very happy with it. But yeah, this is pretty much what you would get if you were to order yourself one of these. So you get 4 coilovers in there, all the tools, everything you need, very good quality, highly recommend it. I'll link their website in the description. If you guys need any sets of coilovers for your car, give them a check. I know there's a lot of, I don't want to say fake news, but there's a lot of people who claim these are bad struts and these are bad coilovers. In my experience, I've never had an issue. We have them on this car, as I show you guys right here. We have them right there on this car. 0 issues whatsoever. This car makes right around 650 to 700. Handles very well, no bouncy ride, nothing. On that car, very normal car. 3 years now have passed, 0 issues. No broken tabs, nothing. So yeah, overall, I'm very happy with this setup. Can't really complain. So I'll be keeping these as a spare for the car in case we ever need them, be able to install them on. But yeah, thank you Maxpeedingrod for the coilovers, appreciate it. If you guys are ever looking to get yourself some, definitely consider them, because for the price, it is the best quality that you can find.